Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and today I have a wonderful Coach unboxing for you today. It's going to be on the Coach Town Bucket Bag, and stay tuned if you want to see this review. Okay guys, so let me give you a little bit of the backstory really briefly. I purchased the Coach Town Bucket Bag in black because it looked really nice online and everything like that. So I got it maybe about 2 weeks ago, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep it because the pictures online, like, it looks like it's like smooth leather, but it's pebbled leather, and that's my fault. I should have read the description, but I was going by the pictures and it looked like smooth leather. Now, I'm not too much of a fan of pebbled leather, so I held on to the bag. I wanted to give it back, but then I went back and forth in my mind. I'm like, okay, I didn't fully take it out of the package when I got it. I just immediately saw it through the bag and I was just like, pebbled leather. I don't want pebbled leather. I want smooth leather. So I don't know. I held on to it. I didn't send it back. So I think I'm gonna keep it. I hope so. I don't know. I decided to keep it because it's I don't have many black bags, and the shape of it is different than the black bags that I have. If you see some of my videos, you've seen that I did a review on the Coach signature chain tote. So okay, that's my backstory. So let's get into it, guys. So I have the bag right here. As you can see, I took it out briefly to look at it. When I first got it, I didn't take it out, but recently I did. But I didn't take off all the marking, all the plastic and stuff. But this is it right here, and this is how it comes. This is the Coach Town Bucket Bag in black. And as you can see, it has gold hardware here. I really like this bag because of the shape. But you know what? Now, since I'm taking it out and looking at it, I think I really like it, and I'm gonna keep this one. Okay guys, so this is it. Let me take off all the wrappings and stuff like that. I guess I'm gonna keep it because, like, a part of me was just going back and forth. But I'm like, let me open it up and let me see everything. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this. I'm pretty sure I like it much better once all the wrapping and stuff is off, and once I really like put it on and everything like that. So let me take the wrapping off. I'm gonna speed the video. I'll be back when I'm done taking off all the wrapping. Okay guys, I'm done taking off all the wrapping, and I must say, now that I've gotten everything off and I got to see the inside of the bag and everything, I definitely like it. So it took for me to take off everything to like it. I really do. Plus I like that leather smell. Okay, so first off, this is the Coach Town Bucket Bag in black, and it has gold hardware, as you can see, and the rings here. And it has the Coach tag here in gold, and it's very heavy, as you can see here. So I'm so excited that I didn't send it back, because seeing it on other people and seeing other reviews made me want it. And so now I'm happy that I got it. And so hopefully, if you're thinking about getting it now, you can see, like, this is real reactions on camera. Because I was like, when I came on the video, I was like, should I take the wrapping off? What if I have to send it back? I was going back and forth, but now I know that I want to keep it. So it has this strap right here that you can carry, and then there's a larger strap right here. And inside of it, it's brown leather, as you can see. And what's so nice is that you see it has the Coach in gold logo here, as well as on the outside. And then it has snap closures on both sides. It has this middle zip part here, which is a pocket. It's a pocket, and you can open it and put stuff in there. And of course, it has the Coach you know, care material and everything, like the care instructions rather, right here. And yeah, so let me show you what it looks like on me, and then I'll show you how what can fit inside. Okay, so as you can see, you can use the big strap and just put it over the shoulder like that, and then tuck the other one in, and that's how it's looking. Or you can wear it as a crossbody. Oh, this is perfect too, because I saw another video with a girl who lives in New York City. I live in New York City, and she was saying like when she rides the train, her bag is always bumping people. I have that issue as well. So with this one, it definitely won't. I won't have that issue because it's like right near my side and it's open, so I can just like grab whatever I need to grab in there. So that's what I like about it immediately. I'm actually liking this more than I thought. I'm so excited. Yeah, very, very convenient. If you didn't want to wear the big strap, you could just tuck it in. You could just tuck it in your bag and then use the shorter strap like this. You could also use the short, oh yeah, this is nice. You can use the shorter strap up top as well. And yeah, guys, I really, really like it. It is too cute. Now, so the inside, again, like I said, I will show you closer. The magnetic closures here, you just snap it like that, magnetic, and it just, so you don't have to worry about pushing it. It just closes just like that. And again, the middle part has the zipper. Wait, hold up. Oh, okay. I thought something was wrong with the zipper. It's right here. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, so I like it, guys. I'm so happy that I like it. You don't know, I was going back and forth. It looks so much better now that I've taken off the wrapping. So let me show you what it looks like close. It is pebbled, but it has a shine to it. And I don't know, when I saw it in the bag, I was like, it doesn't look shiny. Duh, you need to take it out the bag. I like it so much better now. It's like really sleek. It's sophisticated. And for those of you who have been watching me a long time, you know that I'm trying to switch up my style now, give my wardrobe a makeover. So this is definitely a wonderful staple piece that I want to add to my wardrobe because it's plain. There's no logos on it except this right here, which is in gold. There's no monogram on it. I tend to like monogram, but like I said, I'm switching it up. So yeah, and this is what the underneath looks like. So let me show you what I could put in. I just grabbed some random things of mine. Okay, so I have a notebook. I always have notebooks with me all the time. I love writing. Let me take out the big strap. So that's one notebook. I have like 3 books with me, a planner and such, just to give you an idea of what can go in it. So those 2 went in it, and this is the 3rd one. Yeah, so those 3 went inside, as you can see. And we're gonna try a wallet, and this is my cell phone case. My cell phone's not in it because I'm taping with it. A brush. This is just random stuff I'm throwing in here. So make believe this is my cell phone. As a matter of fact, if I had to put it in here, yeah, you always want to grab your cell phone fast, so I wouldn't put it in the zipper part. I probably would just throw it in here so that if I need it, I can get it. My wallet, I would probably want it more hidden, so then I would use this zippered compartment and just put my wallet right in there. And it still has room in the center. You see my wallet is in there, and it still has room to put other things. And I zip that up like that. And yeah, so it holds a pretty good amount of stuff. I wanted to see if I could stuff a sweater in there, like for the summertime, when it gets cold, like on the train or when there's AC. Let me see if I can kind of sort of stuff this sweater in here. Normally, yeah, you can probably if it's like hanging out some. Or then I probably just wouldn't carry one of the notebooks. Because usually That's what it's looking like when I'm running around town, or if I'm going to dance class. I like to carry my change of clothes or my sneakers or whatever. So that's what it can fit in it, but it's like really heavy. Yeah. So let me take this stuff out and finish up with you guys. Okay guys, so I got this bag on the Coach outlet. And I got it on sale. If you saw my other haul, I got it along that time when they had a nice sale. I'm pretty sure they have some sales now because we're getting near Black Friday. So I decided I wanted to do a video for some people who may be thinking about getting it and they wanted to see what it was like. Just like some of the videos that were on YouTube helped me to make my final decisions about purchasing you know, whatever bag I was interested in. So guys, I'm so happy to report, as you see live here, that I love it. I'm happy I took off of the wrapping and stuff like that, because there's nothing like having to buy something and send it. I don't like sending things back, but I definitely love this bag. It's very pretty, sleek, and the way it cinches in, and it's not bulky. It's nice. I think this is gonna last me quite a while. And they have these in other colors. I definitely gravitated toward the pink first. I don't know, maybe I'll get the pink for summertime. We'll see. But for now, I'm digging this black, and I think I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. I have to go out, so this will definitely go with my outfit. I love the way it goes with this sweater, guys. And I have a haul on this sweater. It's my Shein haul. I got it from Shein. So check out that haul and my try-on haul, because I do some modeling of the outfits that I got from Shein. So yeah, so guys, I definitely recommend this. I'm gonna leave a link in the description bar, and if you want to get an additional discount on this, you can also sign up for Rakuten. I have a Rakuten discount code in the description where if you sign up and make a purchase, we'll both get $30. So that's a way to save money on this bag. And you can also use Rakuten for other websites that you probably normally already shop at, like Target, Best Buy, Coach, a lot of like eyeglass wear and stuff like that. So just check it out, Rakuten.com. Be sure to click my link and sign up, and we'll both get $30. Also, the Coach outlet, I'm gonna leave the information for that. I also have a discount code for Coach, so leave that, get that in the description bar. And I hope you guys enjoy your holiday. Hopefully I was able to help someone make a decision on this bag. And that's it. Thank you guys. Follow me on Instagram. My style page is Kharyzma for You Style, where I showcase all my outfits and stuff like that. And my business page, where I showcase my lip gloss that I sell. I sell lip gloss. I sell other cosmetics as well at kharyzmaforyou.com. If you want to see some of it, you can go to my Instagram, Kharyzma for You Fashion. All the information, all that good stuff will be in the description bar. But thank you guys for watching, and have a wonderful day. Love you. Bye.